Okay, so how does a four-stroke engine work? Four strokes work nothing like jet engines. They are, for one, much more efficient and less expensive, to be frankly honest. So four-stroke engines work by, as you can see in the first step right here, fuel is injected into the cylinders, and as the cylinder goes up and compresses the fuel, it it explodes when the cylinder reaches it and compresses it fully. That pushes down the piston and creates your horsepower and drives the drivetrain and whatever in the car or airplane. And then the piston comes down again before it injects more fuel. And that right there is the difference between a two-stroke and a four-stroke. Because in a two-stroke motor, after the combustion happened, the exhaust would just be let out of the cylinder block and it would inject more fuel. And that is why two strokes often make quicker power and more power. But in the four stroke, it has this extra step where the piston comes down again and recompresses the exhaust. And that makes it much more efficient, but also slower in how it produces power. It also reduces volume and other factors which makes people like them more, but they are they're similar to two strokes, but also very very different. So that is how a four-stroke engine works.